Hi everyone, my name is Shana from WTI, and you can upgrade your hair care routine with this deep conditioning heat cap. This is the cordless conditioning cap from Tifara Beauty, and it's a one-size-fit-all. This cap really has helped to give my dry hair the much needed treatment, and I really love that it's non-electrical, so there's no need for electrical outlets or batteries. So you're really able to multitask with this. You can do whatever you need to do around the house and still take care of your hair. It's really easy to use after I put on my deep conditioner or even a hot oil treatment. I use a plastic cap over it so I don't get any of the treatment in the actual cap. Then I pop it into the microwave. I put it in for 45 seconds and I've noticed that that is hot enough for me. The heat from the treatment really allows for the deep conditioner or the oil to penetrate the hair follicles, and it helps to seal in the treatment. So I'm really happy that I'm able to multitask with this. I can be deep conditioning while I'm exercising or on the phone or cleaning up. And I do love that after having this on my hair is definitely more conditioned and manageable, and that's my point of view.